Who do I believe makes the better ratchet wrench? We got the new gear wrench 92s. The original gear wrench 72. The Pittsburgh Pro 72. The non-flex head gear wrench. We have the Husky, the Craftsman, and DoorTech. Right off the bat, I would say the new 92 has the better back drag. The new 92 are getting weak in the head, as we see, and that's only been used for testing. This is the original DoorTech, the gear wrench. The head's, starting to get loose, yes, but it's lots of wear and tear. Pittsburgh Pro, head is loose, yes, but lots of wear and tear. I would say the Pittsburgh Pro is second to none to the 92 gear wrench back drag. As you see, that's the 92. It has very little back drag. Awesome. The original gear wrench has more back drag, but it's definitely been used for a while and beat up on. Pittsburgh Pro. And as you see, the Pittsburgh Pro is very close to the new gear wrench. The Husky plenty of back drag in it. The Craftsman. Not the Craftsman's bad. Fingers on it. But the Craftsman has not been used that much at all. Everybody knows Craftsman starts out stiff. DoorTech. DoorTech has some good, definitely got some back drag on it, but it's not flex head. Then we got this big monster from DoorTech, and it's the anti-slip. This has a lot of back drag. Not a lot. Mediocre back drag, we'll say, but it's so hard to get in the fastener with an anti-slip. For that reason, I don't use it very often. The new the new gear wrench is sloppy on the fastener. Really sloppy. And that concerns me. The original gear wrench, nowhere near sloppy. Pittsburgh Pro. Nowhere near as gear wrench. Craftsman is tight, real tight. These are real tight, anti-slips. But if I was to buy a set today, it would either be the older gear wrench, even though I broke one, the Pittsburgh Pro, or the Craftsman. I do not like the new gear wrench 92s or 122. I haven't played with the 122, but I'll tell you right now, the 92 is sloppy and I don't trust it. The head's already loose, and I think this wrench is not going to last long. The Pittsburgh Pro and the other gear wrench are years old. This only has testing on it. So with that said, I cannot recommend the 92's gear wrench. Even though it's a little longer, it has great back drag, I just don't trust it. The issue with the Craftsman is really short. That is the Pittsburgh Pro, or the Pittsburgh Pro compared to the Craftsman, it's just really short. Here's the new gear wrench, it's just short. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with a short ratchet. Sometimes you need it. But my everyday ratchet, no, I don't think so. But that's my review, folks. I'm just not a fan of the 92 gear wrench. Let me know if yours fits better. Maybe I got one that's just wrong later.